Come on, Chris. Everybody's done something they're not proud of. Like when I used to be a Wonder Twin.
Peter, the old schoolhouse is on fire. Let's go.
Wonder Twin powers activate.
Form of a hawk. Come on, Peter.
Yeah, I'll be right behind you. Shape of Jayna's tampon. And now I play the waiting game.
Alright, welcome back to Piggy's Picks. This is Piggy. Today our pick is a smaller scale this time, but it's a classic and it's the only scale I can get them. Wonder Twins 1/10 scale from Sideshow. Let's unbox.
Surreal.
Feeling like I'm on a battlefield. I've been now on. First you tell me that you finished, then you said you wanted more. Every day is something different with you. Tell me what you want. It's hard for me to reason when you barely want to talk. Cause I've been on the low and I've been hurting every day. No matter what the story is, I never get it straight. I keep on going back to you, but shit just ain't the same. I think it might be better if we went and parted ways. All discussions turn to arguments, you ain't the one I started with. Ain't no conversations without thinking that I'm bothering. I just hate the feeling, girl, I'm sorry, but I'm blocking it. Caught up in your cycle when I really want no part of it. Feeling like I've been abandoned, you've been losing all my trust. Plus you'd always take advantage, so I knew it wasn't love. Playing on my insecurities, I think I ain't enough. Looking deep into the mirror, counting every single flaw. Now you got me doing things, saying things that I never do. Used to say I love you, now I'm never getting next to you. Take me 30 seconds if I wanna find a better you. Don't know why I deal with it, forget the shit I said to you. The main day I'm in, you got me falling down. I'm clearly distressed, but you won't make a sound. You choose all your efforts, you're up then you're down. This love isn't normal, it's killing me now. Feeling like I'm on a battlefield, I've been now on. First you tell me that you...
And boom, Wonder Twin powers activate. Now we're gonna get into the dimensions of them. Alright, we got these twins all set up. They are on our turntable. Let's get into the dimensions. Zahn, our male twin, stands at 7.8 inches high, 5.1 inches in width, and 5.1 inches deep. Jayna stands at 8.2 inches high, 5.1 inches on the width, and 5.1 inches on the depth. She stands a little bit taller than her brother because, as you can see, they have their best friend and sidekick Gleek nestled on Jayna's arm. These guys are looking great. I think the purple actually pops. The detail is amazing. I'm just not quite used to the scale because, again, these are 1/10 scales and it's a lot smaller than what I normally collect. But I mean, as you can tell, the sculpt, the detail, it's pretty good. I'm not gonna go into it, but they gave them derriere legs. The detail is amazing. I really like Gleek. The funny part is, if you look at the blue in his hair, it actually looks like a little toupee. So I would definitely recommend this piece. I'm glad I got this piece, but hopefully I can get them in a larger scale. So any of the companies listening, you guys said you're giving us characters that aren't the norm or the same old. Give us some Wonder Twins in a real in a bigger scale. No offense to the 1/10 scale collectors. So there you have it. What do you think of these Wonder Twins? Does it throw you back to the nostalgia? And we are gonna wrap it there. Wonder Twins activate, form of. See you next time.